What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And this right here is really a old pickup. Like, I could have had these on release day. They sat, then they quietly just snuck off the shelf. And I'm like, God damn, what the hell them? And I'm like, oh, damn, dog. But I end up getting these for a steal. They quietly snuck off the shelf, but they still online. I want to say they don't like Jimmy Jazz, but they going for like retail. I'm like, nah, they should be way below retail. But got these for a steal. And me and my Kicks reviewing on feet made me want to get these. So shout out to bro. And yeah, man, let's get into this unboxing. God damn, bro, I got the worst aim when it comes to the knife game, bro. Man, I just missed like 7 times. But I swear these boxes from StockX get smaller and smaller. Gotta do that to the bubble wrap. What the hell? These are Air Jordan 14 Retro. Colorway on this is Desert Sand Black White. If that don't give it away, I don't know what is. StockX card. Sticker. The brand new tag things they giving out. And yeah, man, bling, blow, burr on this pickup, man. Yes, sir. I could have been had these. Off the back, I see a glue stain on my joints. Let me throw all that stuff away. Yeah, man. These right here was like some low-key sleepers, but I'm glad I slept long enough so I hate these in 14s. I hate them in 14s, I swear. But yeah, I'm glad I slept long enough to get these for a steal. These definitely were worth the price that I paid. I paid $117 for these. I probably could have got them lower, but yeah, you know. Best thing about StockX, I always put a 7 at the end of everything because they do like a $13 shipping. It just zeroes everything out. So yeah, but minus shipping, I paid $117 for these. Shipping comes with everything. Wow, there go the shoe right there, man. Let me give y'all that full 360 of the shoe. All the way around, boy. These joints is clean. Somebody told me these was trash. I'm like, hey, well, it depends. It depends on, man. You know, this shoe ain't for everybody. I'm not gonna say it is. Everybody ain't gonna like this shoe, bro. These is dope to me. Like, it took a while for them to like really like set in on me, but these shoes is dope. Gonna start with the toe box, man. You have that little tiny jump man right there. And you have like this suede on his. It's not buttery, but it's not like extra ashy either. Like, it's like a decent little texture to the suede on this toe box. Standard lace system for the 14s. Standard lace system. You have the Jordan right here on the bar. Roman numeral 14 at the back. You know, standard stuff. This is focusing on everything. Side panel. Real decent side panel. Same type of texture as the toe box. It's not buttery, but it's not too ashy. And this right here is like an eggnog colorway. Like, this is an off-white. This is like a pure white, and this is like a way off-brand white. Like, basically like it's been like oxidized, like it's starting to yellow. But this is like the colorway of the little print right here. All white midsole. Same off-white pattern on here. The little air fenders right here on this little shank plate. And of course, this is made after the Ferrari, so these would be like the brake lights in the back. The heel, you have the 23 with the Jumpman little orange hints right here. Helps the shoe kind of pop out, as well as these, but of course your pants leg is gonna cover that up. These right here kind of helps to give it that little pop right there. Ferrari symbol right there. Jumpman in the inside. This right here, now this part right here is real ashy, but you go right here, not too ashy, not buttery, not too ashy. The same as this side panel right here. In my honest opinion about the shoe, these is dope. They worth what I paid, $117. Like, I wouldn't pay like 200 plus for these. With Chicago taxes, $190, you paying $210, two something. Like $210, $213. Oh, I just felt this. They got some nice little nubuck right here. Now this feels more better than this. But yeah, man. That's my StockX pickup, man. This is my StockX pickup right here. Y'all already know I'm a StockX Hokage. Lord, StockX, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, it's basically it, man. Real dope. All black sock liner. Sock liner, all black. Have that white Jumpman. You have the orange hint right here. Roman numeral 14, all predominantly white. Outsole, black shank plate with the little metallic looking Jumpman right there. Yeah. Let me see, did they go cheap on the lace tip? Nope, we got metal lace tips with the Jumpman on there. Very standard. Yeah, these is dope. Dope for the price. Got a little tag, little stamp right there as well. Verified barcode right there. And it's the pickup, man. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the pickup, if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing from StockX, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.